So you've got a Visa gift card and you're trying to figure out how to add it to your Bank of America account? Let's clear up whether that's even possible and explore some workarounds. Unfortunately, Bank of America, like most major banks, doesn't directly allow you to load a Visa gift card onto your account. Gift cards are designed for spending, not for direct transfers to bank accounts. Think of it this way: your Bank of America debit card is directly linked to your funds, while a Visa gift card is essentially a prepaid card with a set balance. They operate differently within the banking system. So what can you do with that gift card? The easiest way is to simply use it for online or in-store purchases, just like a regular debit card, until the balance reaches zero. Another option is to add the Visa gift card to a service like PayPal. You can then use PayPal to send money to someone, including yourself, and deposit those funds into your Bank of America account. You can also use the Visa gift card to pay bills online. Many utility companies, credit card companies, and other service providers accept Visa gift cards as a payment method. Explore using money transfer apps like Venmo or Cash App. While not all allow direct gift card linking, some might let you add the card and then transfer the balance to your bank account. Be sure to check their specific terms and conditions first, as fees may apply. While you can't directly add a Visa gift card to your Bank of America account, these alternative methods should help you utilize the funds effectively. Remember to always track your spending and be aware of any potential fees. Now you're all set to make the most of your gift card.